guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Mallory and I go by the brand name Trendy Vintage Classic on social media and selling platforms. On Poshmark, I am Trendy Vintage C. And my focus on my video today will be specifically on fashion, on clothing. So what has sold for me in the last week in February, and the dates for that are February Sunday 20th to Saturday the 26th. And I will be doing a video shortly regarding plush because I do have some really great plush and toy bolos. I just want to keep that separate and have my videos be kind of shorter, and you as a viewer can choose what information you would like to view. I focus primarily on what sold videos because I know when I first started reselling, that was the most crucial information that I needed. I needed to learn quickly what brand names and styles to pick up. So without further ado, this is what sold for the week. On Sunday the 20th, I sold a pair of boys Levi jeans. So I am also selling kids clothing, and I am really trying to learn some of the great brand names because some kids clothing can actually sell very well. I watch Ginger Marvin and they sell a lot on Kidizen, and I'm also trying to get some sales on Kidizen. Then I sold some Timberland boots. These are very pretty. They're women, tall, suede. And guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you will get to see daily great items that sell for me. If you're not one to like watch long videos, that's an option for you. So these boots I got at a Plato's Closet 90% off sale. They do that towards the end of seasons. And so these boots were $30, and so I got them for $3, and you see what they sold for up here. So that's just amazing. That's an awesome profit. They're beautiful, great quality boots, and I am happy someone got them. Next, I sold these Nike crib shoes. These were new in the box, and I found 2 sets of these at the Goodwill. Now, whenever you find baby Nike shoes, especially Jordans, in the box, even the ones with the hats, the baby infant hat and crib shoes, those can go for a lot of money. I've sold those also. So always grab them. They were $6, but I knew they would flip quickly. Those sold within a few weeks. So that profit was great. And all those 3 items were on eBay. And on Poshmark for the same day, I sold this duster cardigan by Kinar. Not a specifically great brand. This was an item I got for free, but it did sell, so it's a profit. Long cardigans are definitely, no matter the brand, something to take a look at purchasing. Then I sold these Free People sandals. Any type of leather sandals that have these really cool embellishments on them, like these, will do well. I knew these would sell. Madewell shoes as well, with just leather made, those sell quickly. Next, no, that is a plush, so I'm going to say that for my next video. See, now you'll have to look out for that. The next day, on Monday the 21st, it was actually other items that sold that were not clothing. Some were toys and other items, so we're not going to go over that. Tuesday the 22nd, I had no sales on eBay. I have been focusing more on my Posh store, guys, since I am focusing on clothing more, and I love how Poshmark's system works. You don't have to really worry about returns. I've never had a case open. I always show measurements, any flaws. So it's a lot easier, I feel like, than selling clothing on eBay because buyers can be pretty peculiar and particular and try to return items a lot more, which it's not something that's fun as a reseller. So I haven't been focusing on eBay that much, so I do believe that is why my sales have slowed down. So on Sunday I had 6 total sales. Monday I had 2 sales. Tuesday I had 3 sales. 2 were from Poshmark, 1 was from Facebook Marketplace. The 2 from Poshmark, 1 was an out from under bathing suit. If you don't know, that is under the brand Urban Outfitters, which is very trendy with the younger generation. This was new with tags, and it was such a cute print. One pieces with cutouts are definitely in. Cutout detail in general is in right now. Next were these two Free People bags that I just grabbed at a tag sale for almost nothing. They didn't sell for much, but they were cute and it was a sale. You know, guys, anything to keep your store going is good. You need those small bread and butter items. Not everyone can have an $80 sale, $100 sale every day. And for some reason, even if you sell something for $10, that boosts your algorithm, which means when people are searching for items, your store does get bumped up higher with search results. So don't sleep on those lower price items if you know they're going to sell. I'm never afraid to pick up something for $1 that I know will sell for $20 if I know it'll sell quickly. Then on Facebook Marketplace, which I love, my favorite because it's only 5% in fees, I sold this really nice Elaine Bryant women's plus size top. Guys, you know I've said all the time, plus size is amazing to sell. It is definitely sought after. People search for it. So make sure you put that in your title listing, plus size. And this was pretty polka dot, ready for the springtime. People are ready for the springtime. I know I am. Next on Wednesday, my sale on eBay was not a clothing item. My two sales on Poshmark, one was this excellent sale, this Pendleton vest. I love Pendleton. I love Pendleton. I love vintage, as you guys know. It's just exciting when you find it new with tags, even though it's technically been sitting for a long time, considered dead stock or new old stock. It's still really cool. So this was new with the tags on it. I think I paid $6. Yes, I paid $6 for it, and you see how much it sold for. Amazing. I was really excited because I thought this was going to sell more towards the holiday time. I did get it around Christmas, so I thought it was too late in the season. So I'm just really happy this sold. Next was this New York bucket hat. This has some championship dates on it. I grabbed this for $1 at a local consignment store, and I knew it would sell, so that was a fun flip for me. My other sale was on Facebook Marketplace. Again, great, since this was an expensive Patagonia sale, or as we call it in the resale world, Patagucci, because Patagucci, oh my goodness, everything. Patagonia sells so well. I can't say it enough. Even if it's not a rare pattern, it'll still sell. But those rare patterns, guys, people pay up for them. All right, Thursday was dry. Probably because Wednesday is the day I go shopping. There's certain stores I like to go to on Wednesday. So I was out all day on Wednesday, and I don't believe I got listing done, maybe a couple of things. So I believe that affected my sales for Thursday. I also didn't send out any bulk offers on Poshmark. I was just gonna wait and see what the weekend brought me. So Friday the 25th, I sold a toy on eBay. And on Poshmark, I sold a North Face pullover, a gray fleece, size large, men's North Face fleeces. They don't go for a lot, but they will sell. And then my exciting sale was this mystery box. So I have been experimenting with mystery boxes. And if those of you don't know what they are, basically a buyer can purchase a box of items that they are not sure what's inside. Now, you do have to disclose some details. So for example, this mystery box was really exciting because it was mid-tier level brand names. So for example, what that means is it's not high end like Balenciaga. It's not low end, but it's mid-tier. So brands under Anthropologie, Madewell, Current Elliott, brands like that, maybe in between $100 and $300 items. So Poshmark allows you up to 5 pounds for shipping. So I promised a 5-pound box of new with tag mid-tier level designers in it. And then I shipped that out to the buyer. So it was priced at $57. I dropped it and they bought it for $50. And some of these items, I do get lucky and find items new with tags, as we all do, at consignment stores and at the bins. And I've had a lot of products in my storage, and a lot of them are winter weather, so I do need to start clearing things out. It doesn't mean that they're bad items. I would never want to sell somebody a bad item and get a bad review. It's just I need to keep things moving and focus on spring and summer. So yes, that was very exciting. And so on Saturday the 26th, I sold a pair of motherhood maternity pants. They were new with tag and they were black. I did purchase these at the Goodwill for about $4.99, $3 I think, it was half price. And yeah, pregnant women need pants. So maternity pants are always great if you find them specifically at the bins. So I did go to the bins last weekend, and I actually want to do a bins haul video as well. So I'm going to get started on that, and I will post up here my gross amount in sales and then my net, and hopefully that can show you and inspire you that you can find items to make money from listing and working from home. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you are looking forward to my next bolo videos. Bye.